Hi, it's Paul Feuerstein, Technology Editor of Dentistry Today. And this month I'm speaking about the IDS show, the International Dental Show in Cologne. It's the largest dental show in the world where you can hang around with about 160,000 of your closest friends and see about 2,500 exhibits in a million square feet. And it's so large it takes about 4 or 5 buildings that are the size of a typical convention center. So you don't just walk through it in a day. My Fitbit, I'll do about 20,000 steps or equivalent to 8 miles of walking a day just to walk through it. And that's not including stopping and talking to some of the exhibitors. So it takes about 4 or 5 days to run through this whole show if you really want to take a good look at the whole thing. It's very, very exciting. And you see products from countries all over the world, things you've never heard of, things you may never see again, partly because there is no FDA in some of the countries that are producing some of the products. But nonetheless, an interesting look at what's possible, what's happening, what's in the future, what's in the crystal ball. A lot of the products are there, things that you've recognized, and some of them are upgrades of products that you might not see for another year, and some are actually prototypes of products coming out in the future. A great example was with digital impressions. The major dental companies were there, and some minor dental companies and companies we've never heard of with new digital impression systems. And we saw Dentsply Sirona, Align, Mecca, 3Shape, and all were showing new units that will be coming out. And not only have they increased the efficacy of the scanners, but they've added all sorts of software, including digital caries detection and lots of other things that I discussed in the column. So I encourage you to read this column as a little teaser to the next IDS show, which will be in March 2021, and I'll see you there.